What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Honor has quietly found its place alongside its parent company Huawei as the upcoming challenger brand. Of the three laptops released by the brand at IFA 2020 in Berlin, the MagicBook Pro is the one which garnered the most interest, partly because of its very affordable price tag and its main target, the 16-inch Apple MacBook Pro. The design language of the MagicBook Pro shares common features with the Xiaomi Mi laptop brand, the Dell XPS 15, and of course the Apple MacBook Pro. Note the space grey color scheme paired with an aluminum chassis rather than a magnesium alloy one and a frosted matte finish. With a weight of 1.7 kg, it doesn't aspire to be the lightest or the thinnest, although a screen to body ratio of 90% means that it's not much bigger than a 15.6-inch laptop when it comes to footprint. A long hinge connects the display, a 16.1-inch Full HD IPS to the base. One thing that is immediately noticeable is the lack of holes on the bezel, which means that camera sensor and the microphones are located elsewhere. The HD webcam based on the OmniVision is a pop-up type that resides inside a key between F6 and F7, and don't worry, it would not damage your screen if you happen to close the display without remembering to push down the webcam. There is no numeric keypad and two speakers are hidden behind grills located on each side of the keyboard. A fingerprint reader is also located in the power button. The keyboard keys are almost Apple square, almost nearly flush with the surface and backlight, while the touchpad is generously proportioned but without any physical buttons. An audio connector and two full-size USB ports are located on one side, and a Type-C USB, a full-size HDMI 2.1 and a full-size USB on the other side. The Type-C connector doubles up as a universal power port that is paired with the bundled Huawei branded switching power adapter. The latter delivers between 5V and 20V and between 2A and 3.25A, making it ideal for charging other devices as well. The base of the laptop contains two parallel rubber strips that act as razor to allow air to cool the components inside through a perforated grill. There is no card reader or Thunderbolt 3 connector. Currently, the Honor MagicBook Pro is on sale direct from the manufacturer in the UK, France and Germany, with other gadgets likely to follow. Only one model is available with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD and a price tag of £850, which includes a free Honor watch of £120. After a few calculations, the price converts to about $940. So what do you guys think about this laptop? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.